Hey, I'm Mark Given, founder of the Trust-Based Philosophy, Amazon #1 best-selling author, and you're watching Mark's Minute. Are you constantly cleaning? If a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind, of what then is an empty desk a sign? Albert Einstein asked. I heard it said that a clean car is a sign of a sick mind. I don't believe it. I heard it said that a clean house is a sign of a wasted life. Come on. I heard it said that a clean mind is even hard for the Pope. I doubt that's true. I also heard that a clean life is a stress-free life. Now that I can believe. I think I'll keep on cleaning. Thanks for watching. You can also read years of Mark's Minutes on my blog at markgiven.com. Have a great day.